Hello, my name is Parham, one of the clients of Risala Design. I want to tell you about their services.
So what do you like most about Risala Designs?
If I want to be honest with you, their number one is their services because they are super professional and check every details for your project. The number two, their speed, and number three, the quality of their finishing because it's the best I think in the market. And number four is the following up because this is the most important thing inside the renovation or design project, because if nobody following up, the work is working a lot for time.
So do you recommend the Risala Designs for commercial projects or residential projects?
Actually, I recommend it for both projects because before I have one commercial project in Business Bay with them and two residential projects in Dubai Creek Harbor and JLT, and I'm totally satisfied with all of them. So you can trust them with the commercial or residential units.
So do you recommend the Risala Designs for your friends?
Of course, why not? Because I have some great projects with them. One of them in Dubai Creek Harbor, one of them in Business Bay, and one of them in the JLT. And for all of them, me and my friends totally satisfied. For when they come out from your unit, you are happy, and this is the best thing I think you can get it.
One last question. So you think they are more specialized in residential or commercial projects?
Both, I think, because that unit inside the Business Bay is commercial, and the other unit inside the Dubai Creek Harbor and the JLT is the residential. And I think they are the best inside the residential areas and commercial.
What do you like most about their finishing in the residential projects?
It's best because if I want to tell you the truth, some items inside that unit I forget about it, and when they come to that unit they mention it, you need this one too, and when they do that one, my clients is very more satisfied than before we give the design they have it already.
So compared to this nice service, so do you think that prices for their designs or the appointments, they are high?
And no, of course the high quality is not cheap, but they give me the free design and free appointment for talk about the project before starting. And I think this is the best thing.
1 out of 10, how do you rank or recommend Risala Designs?
From 0 to how much you want?
0 to 10.
0 to 10, 12. I think this is the good one.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for
welcome. If you work with them, you are totally satisfied. Trust me, because I do it and I'm satisfied now.